To view reports, you must use the SQL Server Reporting Services, and after you install and configure SQL Server Reporting Services, you can then configure a Reporting Services point. In this demonstration, we'll have a look at how we can review the SQL Server Reporting Services settings and then configure a Reporting Services point. What I've done here is I've come onto my Config Manager server. What we're going to do is we're just going to go to the Start screen. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come to our Reporting Services Configuration Manager. At this point, we'll just select Connect. We'll just verify the service account. We're looking for local system, which it is set to. Next thing we'll do is we'll just come to our web service URL. We're fairly happy with all of the default settings at this point here. Then we'll come to our database tab. And on our database tab, we just need to verify that a database has been created, which it has. Next thing to do is just check the Report Manager URL, verify it's configured, which it is. Finally, what we'll do at this point here is we'll just come out of the Reporting Services Config Manager. We're fairly happy that everything is configured correctly. Next thing we need to do is actually configure Config Manager. So what we'll do here is we'll come into the Administration workspace, and on the Administration workspace, next thing we want to do here is go to Site Configuration, expand up Site Configuration. Then what we'll do is we'll go for Servers and Site System Roles. We'll just right click on our server, and within our server what we want to do here is add a System Site System Role. We're not going to modify anything on the General page or on the Proxy page, so we'll select Next. What we do want to do at this point though is we do actually want to set up our server to support the reporting services. So what we'll do here is we'll just turn on the little tick box here for Reporting Services Point. Select Next. Click the Verify button just to verify everything is set up correctly. And we've got successfully verified, so now what we'll do is we just need to set up our Reporting Services Point, and we need to set up a new account. So what we're going to do here is just fill in the username, so we'll just browse through, and I'm just going to use a Datum Administrator. And then we just need to verify, put in the password, and then confirm the password. So now the password's been entered, we'll just select OK. Select our Next button. Just check the summary, make sure everything's correct, and select Next. Everything's come back with ticks, and ticks are always good, so at this point here we just select the Close button. Now we've done this, we'll just come to Monitoring. And what we want to do within Monitoring here is we just want to expand up Reporting. And within Reporting we want to go to Reports. And what we'll see at this point here, it's returning list items. Now this is going to return back over 400 items, so at this point here, rather than sit and watch this list populating, we'll pause the demonstration and return back once the list is complete. Okay, I left it for about 10 minutes, and as we can see now, I've got 468 items under my reports. So let's just right click on Reports. Let's just have a look at the report options, see what exactly we've got here. So as you can see here, select the default report server for running reports. I've only got the one, so we'll just select OK at this point here. So we have actually configured our reporting server. We can search through reports because we do have quite a few here, so let's just search for everything with Windows in it. So we've typed in Windows, hit the return key. As you can see, it's now returned back 19 items. Let's just run our Windows Server Computer report, so we'll right click, we'll select Run. Within our little report here, we're just going to select our values button, because as you can see we've got an exclamation mark, which means we have to do something within here. And what we want to have a look for is we just want to have a look for all systems. And we'll select OK. We'll then select View Report. As you can see, that returns back my report. So we'll just scroll this along so we can see all the information within here. We can also run this as well from a web portal. So all we'll do here is we'll just go to Internet Explorer. And we'll just specify the URL for the reporting service. which in my case is http://lon-cfg/reports. That brings me to the home page, so we'll just go for our config manager S01. That then brings me into another folder, and within this folder here we can see that we have quite a few reporting folders. So let's just go for hardware memory, for example. And within here we can see that we have 5 reports under hardware memory. So we've got computers where physical memory has, and if we just click on this, what it'll do is it'll bring us into the rest of the report. And this is giving me the report where computers where physical memory has changed. So as we can see here, since last hardware inventory, we don't have any machines where the physical memory has changed. That's the end of this demonstration of integrating reporting services with Config Manager. Thank you.